Sports commentary this evening is all about my grave disappointment that young sensation Christopher Taylor is reportedly having a change of focus and will not be running in the senior trials and therefore will not even be trying to make the team to London. Word is that Taylor is suffering some back and hamstring spasms, and that is why he dropped back down in a class. Remember now, this is a youth who ran in the senior 400 at last year's trials and finished 7th, just missing out on a place on the Olympic team. And 1 year later, when he's supposed to be showing natural progression, he's not even going to try. And look, the whole world hear the maverick waxing lyrical about the talent and prospect of Christopher Taylor and how special he is and how he is one for the future, etc., etc. But that optimism was always tempered by a genuine fear that this youth was not being managed properly and was being burnt out and overworked as a year-to-year champs chasing athlete. And like clockwork, just when he's supposed to be stepping up to the next level in a world championship year, we're hearing about back spasms and muscle spasms and mental fatigue. Look, I am on record as even asking Christopher Taylor in his own interest and in the national interest to leave Calabar and find another school to go. Well, see, you know, Donkey Man out, and now Christopher Taylor halfway out. Now, quiz question. What the two of them have in common? Me never say who them have in common. Me say what them have in common. The answer is Calabar.